Unpack and take out the toolkit. Take out the charger.
The vehicle's quite heavy. You need to lay the box down on the ground and take it out slowly.
1 power charger.
The toolbox contains installation tools, an instruction manual, and plastic sleeves for the rear wheel nuts.
Remove the front fender. Place the front wheel brake disc on the ground with the disc facing upward.
Loosen the headset cap first, install the handlebar, and then tighten the headset cap.
Rotate the handlebar so that it faces horizontally forward.
Tighten the stem bolts alternately in a diagonal pattern.
Adjust the position of the brake lever controller and tighten the screws. Install the front fender. Remove the brake pad protector. Inspect to the front wheel and install the brake disc into the brake pads. Tighten the left and right nuts.
Install the plastic sleeves for the rear wheel nuts. Check if the battery is securely locked in place. Turn on the power and check the battery level. Unlock the mechanical key lock on the handlebar. Hold down the power switch to turn on the device and enter the P gear. Squeeze the brake to enter riding mode. Plus button to set 3-speed gears, Eco, STD, and Turbo.
Headlight button. Turn signal button. Horn button.